Hey everyone, this is Dr. Sapneil Tutoring from Sapneil Tutoring Incorporated. Today from my desk we're going to be talking about essays and the importance of essays in high school for your college application. So we're going to give you some tips on how to write a great essay, but most importantly how to prepare yourself for it. Number one, make sure you understand what the supplemental essay is and reaching out for supplemental essay support. If you feel overwhelmed by these supplemental essays and the deadlines, make sure you're preparing for them, you're paraphrasing each of those supplemental essays, and you're reaching out to somebody that's a professional to help you with those supplemental essays for different colleges and universities. Number two is common application or coalition application, essay review and support. Make sure that you're reaching out to either us or somebody else that's a professional to help you through this process based on which colleges and universities you're applying to. Number three is essay and application review. After everything is done, make sure you have a couple people reviewing this, making sure that there's no grammar errors, that your essay is really getting across the message that you want it to. Overall, these are just 3 or 4 top tips for preparing yourself for the different types of application and essays that are required for the college application. Thank you for listening to this. We hope to help you achieve your academic goals. Thanks.